kind of a tough function, and I'm going to write it down for you. And I'm not going to clear the screen or reset it. I'm just going to define a function now, f of x. So really what I'm doing, I'm reassigning f of x to be something else. And what's going to be arcsecant? Some calculators do not have arcsecant built in, but Sage does. And what am I dividing by? Something pretty complicated. Square root of what? X to the 5th power minus 1. All right? You're going to learn a lot by using software, including the frailty of software sometimes, where it's not producing what you expect it to see. So what I want to do is I want to start to evaluate it. F of 1.1, relatively simple. Someone says, what are you doing? I'm getting close to 1 from the right side. I get that number. Which is the number they're predicting? They're giving you over here. Let me do 1.01. And I get the number they're predicting, or not predicting, but they're evaluating it at. And I'll put this over here. And looking at it, I'm going to say, maybe roughly 0.632, roughly speaking. I also want to do limit. What am I doing? Limit of f of x. And I want to point out, I'm going towards 1, but they want it from a direction. Let me write that down for you, dir. What's the direction going to be? Well, looking at it, they want it from the right side. And let's see what happens. And I get this over here. And someone looks at that and says, I don't understand why that's so different than what we have over there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to approximate it, just like I did before, the underscore. Let me repeat this. The underscore is the output from the prior input. So that underscore really means 1/5 times the square root of 5 times the square root of 2. It looks bizarre, all right? What am I going to do? Numerically approximate it. What I'm going to get the number, and again, it's an approximation. It's not the number, it's an approximation of the number. It's about 0.632, exactly what we predicted it to be. Thank you.